Hi, fifth graders. Today you are going to log into the CommonLit website and complete a pre-assessment. At the beginning of the year, it's important for me to learn as much as I can about you as a reader. So what you're going to do is click on the image below. It's this one right here that says Hubbard 2021. After you click on that, it should take you to the CommonLit website. At the CommonLit website, please use your username and password and log in. If you cannot remember your password, please email me right away. I'll say it again. If you do not remember your password, please email me right away. Once you're logged into the CommonLit site, you click on My Assignments page. On the My Assignments page, you should see Hubbard 2021 CommonLit Pre-Assessment. You will click on the pre-assessment to open it, and then you're going to complete that. It's going to look something similar to what's on the screen here, where you are going to read passages, and then on the right-hand side are questions for you to answer. After you answer each question, you click Continue. Before you start this test, please choose a testing spot without distractions. Don't get distracted by your phone, game systems, or other devices. I want you to work by yourself. This test is meant to help me learn more about you as a reader, so please do your best. Don't ask for help from other fifth graders, family members, other adults that are there with you, or use your devices like Siri. So here's a reminder of what you're doing today. You're going to click on the image below, log into CommonLit, click on the My Assignments page, click on the pre-assessment, and do the pre-assessment. Email me if you forgot your password. Email me if you have any questions.